Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm just gonna review a card that is called Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and this is really a business card and also a travel card which you can just apply by your phone. And I'm telling you all the benefits related to this business card into your mobile phone. So just let's get onto the screen and the website of this credit card. That is name is Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. As you can see, this is a type of card, and also there is 4.5 reviews. That is a good card, I think. So let's just go down. You can see this is earn 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in first 3 months from account opening. So this is saying that if you spend 4,000 plus in the first 3 months of your card tenure, then you will get a 60,000 points that is related to your bonus, and you can just redeem them on your credit card market or any other cash market. After that, you can see there is a minimal annual fee that is $95, which is quite low regarding other card comparing to other cards. And after that, there is a lot of benefits down this card, and also you can see that is point transfer, partner benefits, travel and purchase coverage, 24 into 7 access, spend instantly, pay over time. So these are some benefits of using this card, and you can surely just go out through the Chase Preferred Sapphire credit card website and you can just apply it from your mobile phone. This is all about this card. This is all about this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.